Which induction cooktop is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer isn't so obvious. Every model claims to be fast, safe, and efficient, but only a few really deliver where it counts. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best options based on real performance, not just flashy ads.
Product number 1, Cooktop 9600 LS, Portable. The Cooktop 9600 LS, a compact, no-frills induction burner that punches above its weight. At $116.99, it's priced right in the mid-range, and what caught my eye was its 1800-watt power and 20 preset power and temperature levels. If you want precise control without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 83% energy efficiency, it heats food faster than gas or electric stoves while using less power. The digital LCD touch panel includes a child lock, a fast boil button, and a keep warm function that holds food at 140 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for dinner parties or meal prepping. It also auto-detects your cookware and shuts off after 60 seconds if nothing's on it, which is great for safety. Over 1,000 people bought this in the past month, and it's ETL listed to North American standards, so you know it's legit. Now, some people complained about a high-pitched noise when cooking. Here's the thing though, that's not the cooktop itself, but the cookware. If you're using layered or low-quality pans, they can vibrate and make sound. Switch to solid stainless steel or cast iron and the noise disappears. It's annoying at first, but not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're cooking in a small kitchen, dorm, or RV and need something reliable and portable. Skip this one if you're sensitive to even minor sounds or need dual burners. For under $120, it's solid value for the performance.
Product number 2, New Wave Flex Precision. The New Wave Flex, a sleek, responsive cooktop that feels like a step up in user experience. At $89.99, it's actually the most affordable on this list, yet it packs 45 temperature settings from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want fine-tuned control without spending over $100, this one's a standout. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike basic models with fixed presets, the Flex lets you adjust temperature or time on the fly without resetting everything. That means if your sauce starts to bubble too fast, you can drop the temp instantly. The 6.5-inch heating coil and shatterproof ceramic glass ensure even heating, and the slim design makes it easy to store. It's also super responsive. Touch controls react immediately, so no more jabbing at buttons. Now, some people complained it doesn't get hot enough for serious searing. Here's the thing though, it maxes out at 1300 watts, which is fine for simmering or sautéing, but if you're trying to get a deep crust on a steak, you'll want more power. It's not built for high-heat cooking like stir-frying. This is perfect for you if you're cooking delicate dishes like sauces, eggs, or slow simmers and want precise control. Skip this one if you regularly cook high-heat meals or need more than 1300 watts. For under $90, it's a steal for everyday precision cooking.
Product number 3, New Wave Double Pro. If the single burner options felt limiting, the New Wave Double Pro changes the game. At $269.99, it's the priciest here, but you're getting 2 independent burners with 1800 watts total power. If you want to cook multiple dishes at once without compromise, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most dual cooktops split power evenly, so both burners run at half strength, but the Double Pro uses dynamic watt technology. It intelligently shifts power between burners. Boil water on one side at full 1800 watts, while gently simmering sauce on the other. Each zone has its own controls, 50 preset temps from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, and a 99-hour timer. The seamless IMD touch panel is spill-proof and easy to clean, and the 8-inch heating coils heat evenly with no hot spots. Now, some people complained it's bulky and hard to store. Here's the thing though. Yes, it's bigger than a single burner, but that's the trade-off for dual-zone cooking. If you're tight on space, it might not fit in a small kitchen or RV cabinet. This is perfect for you if you're cooking full meals with sides, sauces, or multiple courses. Skip this one if you only cook simple meals or have very limited counter space. At nearly $270, it's a serious investment, but for serious home cooks, it's worth it.
Product number 4, Z-Chef Portable 1800 Watt. That was a solid option, but if you want high power at a budget price, the Z-Chef cooktop is hard to ignore. At just $54.99, it delivers 1800 watts and 20 power and temperature levels, making it the cheapest 1800 watt model on this list. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 90 watts to 1800 watts and temps from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 465 degrees Fahrenheit, it's versatile enough for everything from melting chocolate to boiling pasta. The 6.8-inch heating coil works with pans from 4 inches to 10 inches, and it includes preset modes for boiling, hot pot, stew, and warming. It's also lightweight at just 5.5 pounds, so you can take it to the office or a friend's place. Now, some people complained about inconsistent heating with smaller pans. Here's the thing though, induction needs a magnetic base that covers most of the coil. If your pan is too small, it won't heat evenly. Stick to properly sized cookware and it works perfectly. This is perfect for you if you want maximum power for under $60 and don't mind skipping fancy features. Skip this one if you need ultra-precise temps or dual burners. For the price, it's unbeatable for basic, high-heat cooking.
Product number 5. NewWave Pro Chef. The NewWave Pro Chef, this is the pro-grade option for serious cooks. At $219.99, it's NSF certified for commercial use, with a massive 8-inch heating coil and 94 temperature settings from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The precision is unmatched. Whether you're sous videing at 130 degrees Fahrenheit or shearing a steak at 575 degrees Fahrenheit, you get exact control. The 1800-watt power heats fast, and the shatterproof ceramic glass is built to last. It also has auto-shutoff, cookware detection, and a responsive touch panel that won't trap crumbs. Now, some people complained it's overkill for home use. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking daily, experimenting with techniques, or hosting often, the precision and durability justify the cost. But if you just heat soup and boil eggs, you're paying for features you won't use. This is perfect for you if you're a cooking enthusiast or small-scale caterer who wants restaurant-level control. Skip this one if you're a casual cook on a tight budget. At $220, it's a premium tool, but for the right person, it's worth every penny.
So which one should you pick? The AMC Chef if you want max power for under $60. The NewWave Flex for precise, budget-friendly control. The Cooktop for balanced performance under $120. The NewWave Double Pro if you need 2 burners that actually perform. And the NewWave Pro Chef if you're serious about cooking and want commercial-grade precision. Each has its place, just match it to your needs.